Hi, in this video we will talk about first steps with ReDi Restaurant Reservation plugin and the settings. So, you have installed and activated the ReDi Restaurant Reservation plugin. What to do next? Step 1. Go to your WordPress dashboard, look for the ReDi Reservations section and click on that. Once the welcome page opens, you'll see two fields. One is named Email, second, API key. If you are using the plugin for the first time, you just need to enter an email, so the system can make a personal API key for you. API key is used to create unique identification to identify the customer for future assistance. In case that you contact us for help or advice, add your API key to request, so we will be able to help you faster. The second field is there for the case when you already use the plugin, and now you are just willing to transfer all settings from one website to another. In that case, you need to copy your API key from your old web page. We are using the plugin for the first time, so we enter our email, and system is creating new API key for us. There it is. Now let us show where to find the API key once you received one. On the left side of the page, in your ReDi Reservations menu, you need to click on Settings menu item. Scroll until the end of that page, and the API key will be showed there. Also, you can simply go to the Welcome page. Step 2. Check New Reservation page. ReDi Restaurant Reservations plugin automatically creates new page on your website. To check that, you can go to the All Pages section, and look for page named Reservation. Click on that. Now you see that page. Plugin automatically created the short code, ReDi Restaurant. On the same spot on your website will be the reservations form. You can freely rename the page, add some text, change URL of the page or change everything the way you want, but please make sure that the short code, ReDi Restaurant, is still on this page. Also, you can change the page on that the reservation form appears. For that you need to copy the short code and add it to any page you want. From this point, you can click on the preview button. As you see, the plugin is working correctly and showing available times for booking. In the next video, we will talk about main setting features, and about how can you customize the plugin settings for your restaurant needs. Leave in comments below, which videos would you like us to make. Subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, contact us directly. The contact information will be also in the description box below.